Knoxville housing market 2025. Buy, sell, or invest. Knoxville home prices have skyrocketed. Will 2025 bring a crash or another price surge? If you're buying, selling, or investing in Knoxville real estate, you need to hear this. Home prices are shifting. Mortgage rates are unpredictable and inventory is rising. This data could save you thousands. Let's dive in. Will Knoxville home prices rise or fall in 2025? How mortgage rates are affecting buyers and sellers. What every real estate investor should watch closely. Like and subscribe so you never miss a Knoxville real estate update. What's happening with Knoxville home prices? Knoxville's median home price hit $375,000 in late 2024, up 7 to 12% year over year. But early 2025 data shows some cooling. What's next? Home prices are expected to grow just 2 to 3% in 2025, a slowdown from the 10 to 15% annual jumps we saw in 2021 to 2022. Active listings jumped 27 to 30% year over year, meaning buyers have more options and sellers need to price right. Compared to Tennessee and U.S. trends, Knoxville remains affordable. The national median price is $417,000, while Knoxville is still $40,000 lower than that. That's great news. For an example, a 3-bed, 2-bath home in West Knoxville that would have sold for $400,000 in 2022 is now selling closer to $385,000 in early 2025. Buyers have less competition and more choices. This is your time to negotiate. Sellers, price aggressively. Overpricing could mean sitting on the market longer. Inventory shift. Knoxville inventory is at a 2.3 months of supply, up from 1.5 months a year ago, but still below the 5 to 6 months needed for a balanced market. Homes are sitting on the market 21 days now, compared to just 12 days a year ago. Mortgage rates and affordability in Knoxville. Mortgage rates are the big wild card. Right now, 30-year fixed mortgage rates are hovering around 6.5 to 7%. That's double the 3% rates from 2021, making homes more expensive for buyers. For example, a $350,000 home at a 3% interest rate equals $1,475 a month. At a 7% interest rate, the payment jumps to $2,300 a month. That's an $825 a month difference.
Enough to price out many buyers.
If rates drop to 5.9% by late 2025, as some experts predict, buyers will flood back into the market, pushing prices up again. If rates stay at 6.5 to 7%, buyers will continue negotiating harder, keeping price growth flat or slightly negative in 2025. So you ask yourself, what does this mean for me? Well, if you're a buyer and the rates drop later, competition will spike. So it may be cheaper to buy now and refinance later. Sellers, if the rates drop, more buyers equal better pricing power. If you don't need to sell now, waiting could pay off. If Knoxville inventory keeps rising and rates stay high, sellers may need to offer more concessions like rate buydowns or closing cost assistance. Knoxville real estate market, what investors need to know. Knoxville remains a top rental market, but cash flow is tighter with today's interest rates. Rental demand is strong. Occupancy rates are 95 to 96%, with rents up 3.5% year over year. Short-term rentals are shifting. Some areas are cracking down on Airbnb. Stick to long-term rental-friendly zones. Flippers and rehabbers, buyers are more cautious. Price your flip for a quick sale, not a bidding war. For example, a duplex in South Knoxville that would have easily sold for $475,000 in 2022 is now going for around $450,000. But rents are still rising, making it a solid buy and hold play. For buy and hold investors, focus on long-term cash flow, not short-term appreciation. For flippers, be conservative on ARVs. Overpricing could mean months of holding costs. Multifamily investors, more renters equals stronger cash flow. Making duplexes and triplexes are a smart long-term bet. So final takeaways. Should you buy, sell, or invest? Well, buyers, there's less competition. Therefore, more negotiating power. If rates drop later, prices could jump again. Consider house hacking. Buying a duplex, rent part of it out to offset the mortgage. For sellers, homes are taking longer to sell. Price right from day one. Consider offering rate buy-downs to attract buyers. If rates drop, 2025 could bring more demand. Waiting might pay off. For investors, Knoxville's rental market is still solid, but you must run your numbers carefully. Short-term flipping, a lot riskier. Buy and hold, smarter. Watch mortgage rates. Higher rates mean longer hold times. Don't miss my next update. The Knoxville real estate market is changing fast. Like and subscribe to stay ahead of market trends. Drop a comment below. Are you buying, selling, or waiting in 2025? Let's talk. Until next time, stay smart, stay informed, and make great real estate moves.